So hello guys, I'll be doing an oil change to my bike. So let's warm up the engine first. So let it idle for 5 minutes and then we'll drain with the oil. Now this has warmed up actually. So we'll just let it sit for a minute or two. So the things that you'll be needing for an oil change is obviously an oil. I'll be going with Motul 7100 10W40, which I got it from Flipkart at a great deal. A toolkit, which I'll be using is a Taparia 1x4 46 pieces fit. So this is my kit, and a 19mm socket and a ratchet just to get out the drain bolt. An oil filter, which is a genuine Yamaha oil filter, which costs around 247 rupees. The last a pan to get the oil collected. First, what we'll be doing is get this belly out of this. So let's keep the pan underneath, and we'll be using a 19mm ratchet just to start loosening up the drain bolt, as well as make sure you open this oil gauge. Next we'll be removing this oil filter cover to get out the oil. So got all the screws out. Now we'll be removing this oil filter cover. And this is the o-ring of the filter. So we will be reinstalling this oil filter o-ring back in its place. Make sure you clean it before reinstalling it, and we'll be putting back an oil filter in its place. So this is the OEM genuine Yamaha oil filter. Make sure you go with the original one. So, and make sure this duct has to be in outside, not this one. So this has to be in outside. Take up the cap, hold it, and just loosen up the bolts in its places. Make sure you don't over tight this cap. Oil drain bolt is tightened up, so we'll be pouring in the engine oil, which is Motul 7100 10W40, which is the recommended grade for the motorbike. So I'll be pouring it around 900 to 950 ml as recommended by the manual. Finally, the oil has been filled up. We'll be putting back up this oil gauge, tightening up, and we'll be starting our engine. Let it warm up so that the new oil gets circulated. So the engine oil has started to circulate, and the belly had been reinstalled back in its place. So that's it guys for this video. Make sure to follow the channel. Don't hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.